Ghana, beg, who the advance on our president? Start to appoint young boys. I beg, go Satana. John Mello, Dems. Young boys. Our own president, our new president, they appoint old people. Minister for Youth, now 75 years. Minister for Youth. Minister for Women Affairs, now man, 82 years. See, our mama, they wear dark glasses, they do big boy. Our own, they wear. If they wear less, they fall anyhow. They go meeting when they know invite them. If they stay UK, they travel anyhow. God, who do us? Who do us?
Hello and welcome back to another interesting episode. My name is Kwame Cheddar, and if you want the most happiest police in the whole world, it's Ghana Police. I hope you watched the video. You watched how interesting the video was. The morale songs, this Ghana Police, then go sing, give you, then in the end, then go protect you. Then as time goes on, then go arrest you if you fool, if you misbehave. Sorry. So Ghana Police, Charlie, the most happiest police force in the whole world. Yeah, you saw how they were happily singing the morale songs. Charlie, Fabi Yesidio. Fabi Nsuye Enije, Jiweni Enye Debia na Obeshe Jumemne, Charlie, seriousness, baby, and Enfam Kosi baby. Charlie, sometimes you have to happy yourself. So you saw how the Ghana police were happily singing the morale songs. And in this reaction that you are going to watch, this was an encounter between Ghana police and Nigerians. Their reactions will blow your mind. Let's go straight into the video as we all watch together. We'll come back to react more. Watch this video of Ghana police checking out somebody's car. Yeah, it's another big difference between Ghana and Nigeria. When police stop you in Nigeria, already your heart don't dey cut. You don't dey think of waiting to talk. Even though you did wrong or you did right, even though you don't do anything or you do something, you don't already dey para. But when Ghanaian police stop you and you know that there is nothing on you, you are safe. They can even stop you, talk to you nicely, take pictures with you. If you have a fine car, they'll ask for a picture in your car. It's crazy. It's just beautiful. Ghanaian police have stopped me multiple times. I'm like, hey, bosso, what's up? And they'll be like, if you, the TikTok guy, what's up? I say, I'm cool. We'll greet fine and we'll discharge. Honestly, it's crazy. Ghana police, you people are amazing. You people are amazing. In the midnight, you go dey drive, you go see Ghana police, your heart go calm down, you go say, ah, thank God police dey this road. But in like, go ask Nigerians now, ask Nigerians in Ghana and in Nigeria, when you dey drive for midnight to see police for road, e go better sometimes o, because some police officers are good, but sometimes e go better make you see thief, so that you go know say you go jam am or you go just speed off. E go better sometimes. There's a terrible story about Nigerian police in the whole world. They know. Thank God for NSAS. If not, SARS would have been the end of the entire country. But Nigerian youth stood up for that, and that's one of the greatest Nigerian achievements. Nigerians have achieved a lot of things in this world, but one of the biggest is NSAS, because Nigerian youth stood together and they made it happen. And despite the fact that Nigerian youth made this happen, a lot of you didn't even participate. The strong men for the country, una know una self, na no participate, because most of una na government dey sponsor una, so na just sit down for una, na just crack down, na just lap. Men, na just lap. Na no really show una self like how na dey show una self in the night with innocent civilians. Una know wetin I dey talk about. But people, the nobodies, the full streets, they say no, they no go gree. Thank God for NSAS. So Ghana police, you people are amazing, man. Let me tell you guys a short story. There was I was coming from Nigeria to Ghana by road, and I had a lot of money on me. That time I had about 300,000 naira cash on me. In the midnight, by 1 o'clock, police officers stopped me around Volta region heading to Accra, because that time I blow taxi from Volta region, I dey go Tema. Police stopped me, say, who are you? Identify yourself. I identify myself, and thank God my family name get mouth. I call myself, I speak my language. They say, why you sound Nigerian like this? I say, oh, I grew for there. He searched me finish, say, I want to search my personal bag. I say, it's my personal belonging, I'm not supposed to search. He said, it's night and I'm a young man, let him search, just to make sure that I'm not going to sell DRUG. I say, okay, no wahala. He searched my bag, remove one big envelope, see cash on. He see cash inside, raw cash, 300,000 naira. He look left, look right, he see, hey, figure in the play guy. I said, Miracle, your school fees hello. At the old school fees that time, I don't go balance and do clearance. Now you say, man, hide them, make I tidy them. Now I say, okay, no wahala, I hide them where. I give him something. He said, no problem. I said, oh no, I insist. I still squeeze and put for in jacket. Tell driver, run no. He can't stop the taxi. Come meet me again. Come tell me, say, see, there's some police officers there. I am their senior. Tell them that he called his name, have searched you, and if possible they'll radio me or they'll let you go. I say no problem, because it's late. Make them to the no come search the bag. Himself, you don't know. In colleague, I know that there's trust among them, but you know you cannot trust anybody. You just want to make I tell them like that, sharp. As I reach front, I see another checkpoint through. I tell them, say, good evening, boss. So they asked me the same question, I answered the same questions. I identified myself. I said, oh, that gentleman at that bus stop, he just searched me. He said I should tell you people. They said no problem, wait. They called him. He spoke to them, told them, I've searched him, you can let him go. And I left peacefully. Tell me, say that thing go happen for Nigeria. Make una tell me, Nigerians in the building. Make una tell me. Say that thing go happen for Nigeria, and that police no go collect half of that money or collect the whole money or buy me for that side. See, Ghana is peaceful and Ghana is safe. You people should be very grateful. A lot of things have happened in Ghana that I cannot even start telling you people the story, but you guys drop your comments in the comment section and I'll give you more stories. Yeah, so as we always do, if you love this video and like it, just give it a thumbs up. Also, be part of this community and this lovely family by subscribing. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you get notified. We have more projects and more videos for you. So let's stay tuned. See you in my next episode. I am out.